So for this video, I brought in some money because for grown-ups, fractions are a lot easier to understand with money. A quarter is actually equal to 1/4 or 1/4 of a dollar, since there are 4 quarters in a dollar. But don't do this with kids because kids don't know that. So we can do a problem like this one, 3 divided by a quarter, by using our dollar bills and asking how many quarters fit into $3. So here are my quarters, and you can actually count how many quarters fit into $3. It looks like there's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 quarters that fit into $3. So we can use our usual flip and multiply strategy to see this also, but it's good to be able to visualize it and not just do the flipping, right? Now I want to ask a slightly more complicated question with the same set of $3, and that's the following. How many 3/4 fit into $3? So that's kind of a weird question. What I'm asking is, there's 3/4, right? So that's 1. There's another 3/4, that's 2. And here's another 3/4, that's 3. And then, oh, look at these extra quarters. That's another 3/4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 3/4 fit into $3. You could do that by flipping and multiplying also. And you can see, sure enough, there are 4 groups of 3/4 that fit in. Now for kids, you want to use your shapes like this, right? And so with this, with our hexagons, we can ask the following question. We can ask, how many 1/3 fit into 3? And we can see that there are 9 1/3 here in the 3 hexagons. So that's a third, that's a third, third, and there are 9 of them. Now, I don't quite have enough to show the next hexagon, but if I had 4 hexagons, you could see that in 4 hexagons we could fit, imagine 2 more thirds here, right? We could fit 12 of them, because 4 divided by 1/3, you flip the 1/3 and you get 4 divided by 1/3 is equal to 4 times 3/1, which is 12. But what if I instead wanted to ask how many 2/3 fit in to these 4 hexagons? That is, what if I wanted to ask 4 divided by 2/3? And then you would say, all right, there's 2/3. Here's another 2/3. Here's another 2/3. Here's another 2/3. Here's another 2/3. And here's my final 2/3. I just don't have the blue pieces to show you. I've already lost track of how many 2/3 that is, so I might want to do the flip and multiply as well. That's 4 times 3/2, which is 12/2, which is 6. So you should find that there are 6 groups. The one that I don't have right there, that's 1 group. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 2/3 that fit into the 4 hexagons.